Škoda continues to demonstrate its commitment to safety with the all-new Kodiaq and Superb models, both achieving the maximum 5-star rating in the rigorous 2024 Euro NCAP crash safety tests. This achievement maintains Škoda's consistent record of top ratings since 2008, even under the recently intensified assessment criteria. The new Škoda Kodiaq scored an impressive 84% of the total maximum points in the Euro NCAP tests. Highlights include adult occupant protection, 89%, child occupant protection, 83%, vulnerable road user protection, 82%, safety assist systems, 78%. These results reflect the comprehensive safety features integrated into the Kodiaq, from advanced airbag systems to high-strength steel components that enhance crash protection. The Škoda Superb excelled with 87% of the total maximum points, positioning it as the second safest car in the 2024 Euro NCAP rankings. Key scores include adult occupant protection, 93%, child occupant protection, 87%, vulnerable road user protection, 82%, safety assist systems, 80%. The Superb's impressive safety performance is attributed to its robust design, which includes up to 10 airbags and extensive use of high-strength steel, ensuring maximum protection for all occupants. Both models boast state-of-the-art safety and assistance systems designed to prevent accidents and mitigate their consequences. Notable features include front assist, predictive pedestrian and cyclist protection; side assist, includes rear traffic alert; collision avoidance assist, turn assist, crossroad assist; exit warning. These systems are further enhanced by new nano-radar sensors that improve the performance of assistance systems, providing comprehensive safety coverage in various driving scenarios. Johannes Neft, Škoda Auto Board member for technical development, expressed pride in the consistent top safety ratings. The fact that we have extended our successful record of 5-star evaluations for our vehicles, even after the more stringent test parameters were introduced in 2023, confirms our clear commitment to the highest safety standards. In summary, the new Škoda Kodiaq and Superb have set a benchmark in automotive safety, offering top-notch protection and advanced assistance systems that ensure the well-being of all road users. These models exemplify Škoda's unwavering dedication to delivering safe, reliable, and innovative vehicles.